In this video, I'm going to go over whether you should buy or invest in mobile homes, and also why Warren Buffett invested in mobile homes and not any other part of the real estate market. So let's get ready. And when you watch this video, hopefully you can make an informed decision of whether a mobile home investment is best for you and your family. So you were probably scanning the internet looking for your next home, realtor.com or Zillow, and you came across a mobile home. Probably said to yourself, it looks a little bit cheaper than purchasing a new or existing home at this time. So I'm going to give you a little bit more information, the pros and the cons of purchasing a mobile home. And after I finish, hopefully you'll be able to make a decision whether you want to pursue buying a mobile home. So the pros about purchasing a mobile home is that it's easier to maintain. Mobile homes are easier to maintain. They're usually on one floor, one-story homes, and they're located in quieter neighborhoods, mostly rural. Also give you a vast amount of land, probably 1 or 2 acres, for not that much money as purchasing a new or existing home. So I'm going to give you an example. A new home on about 1 to 2 acres is probably going to cost you $500,000 to $600,000 in the area that I'm in right now, Wake County. Yeah. But if you go purchase a mobile home, you can get a nice mobile home for about $195,000 or $250,000 right now on 1 to 2 acres for that crazy low loan amount. So mobile homes usually have a lower loan amount, lower monthly payment, and this will allow you to save up so that you'll be able to get into a more profitable investment as a new home or an existing home. So it's easier to maintain. You have a lower monthly payment, which allows you to save money. And then you have more land. It's vast, more land, and it's quieter in a quieter neighborhood, which is a great thing. But there's also cons to purchasing a mobile home. Mobile homes don't appreciate as fast as new or existing homes. Actually, they do depreciate. And if you think if you stayed in the mobile home for a while and you're like, listen, I want to fix it up and flip it, it's harder to fix and flip a mobile home and sell it for a substantial amount of profit than new or existing homes. So if you're looking on the internet right now and you see a mobile home that's almost the same price in the area as a new or existing home, that's not a good investment. I would say to run the other way. So the cons is the mobile home depreciates. It's harder to fix and flip and make a substantial amount of profit. And the land is probably worth more than the mobile home when you get ready to sell it. And a savvy, wise investor will probably tear down the mobile home and build a new or existing home on that land to make a substantial amount of money on it. So the other advantage about investing and buying mobile homes is that mobile homes are easier to build. They're easier to build. They might have cheaper materials. So that's the pro and the con, easy to build and cheaper materials. That way it keeps your cost of building a mobile home lower. Also, it is faster to build. A mobile home can take about 4 to 6 weeks, a month and a half. So if you purchase land in a month and a half, you can have a home ready to live in. So, and most builders will tell you that the mobile home will take about 4 to 6 months. They might stretch it out, but in all actuality, it'll take 4 to 6 weeks to build. So You just have to, when you getting ready to purchase the land, purchase something that has no restrictions on anything, so that way you'll be able to build whatever you want on that land, and you'll be able to put a mobile home there. So it is a great investment to build a mobile home park, because you could have that mobile home park built in about 2 to 3 months because of how fast it takes to build a mobile home. As far as you're buying a mobile home, yes, it does depreciate, but it's cheaper to build it, and you have peace and serenity when everything is all said and done. And as soon as you purchase that land, that in about 4 to 6 weeks you can go live in it. But if the builders drag it out, you're gonna have to wait that 3 to 4 months if they drag it out. So if you need more information in regards to building a mobile home, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and I hope you found this information useful. Now, a mobile home as an investment. Before I go into that, I'm gonna let you know why Warren Buffett purchased a mobile home manufacturing company. So, who do mobile homes cater to? Mobile homes cater to lower middle class or lower class customer base. And that customer base is very, very huge. So if you could manufacture mobile homes for people that cannot afford to get into the space of a new or existing homes, you would have a very, very profitable business. And that is why Warren Buffett purchased Clayton Homes. And that is the only category that he's probably in regards to real estate. So if you're a mobile home investor and you're looking to invest in a mobile home park, the investment, you have to think about this. Yes, it's going to allow me to collect on rent. Yes, I'm going to have a large customer base, and the payments are going to come in on a monthly basis. So I know plenty of investors that have gotten rich on owning mobile home parks. You would have to own a lot of them. But the downside to it is when you get ready to sell your investment with a mobile home, unlike selling a new or existing home, the home is really to no value. They're not valuing in the home actually itself. It's the land that's more profitable than the actual home itself. Also, mobile home parks have vast amount of land, probably about 15 to 20 acres, and you can build a mobile home community inside of that and receive, definite monthly payments month after month. So if you have a mobile home park that's about 10 to 15 years old, most of those homes are going to need improvements. And when you do the improvements, it's not going to appreciate the home as if you did improvements on a new or existing home. So the pros about it is you have a large customer base. You're also going to have steady income, and you can get rich owning mobile homes and renting out mobile homes at a low price and a low investment than having a community of new or existing homes. Also, you will own vast amount of land, but the cons is the homes on the park are not going to appreciate or give you that value as if you own new or existing homes. So if you're looking to make a profit off appreciation when it comes to owning a mobile home, you're in the wrong space. It's mostly the land that investors are going to be looking for that's going to be more profitable. And also, the way you can profit is off the monthly rents. So if this video was helpful to you and you want to move forward with purchasing a mobile home, I leave my description in the link below, and you can feel free to reach out to me. And hopefully this video gave you a better idea of whether you wanted to purchase a mobile home or not. Well, you have a good day. This is Ro Amazing, and I see you in the next video.